everyone, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I recently spent a lot of money on Zara app and not for clothes but for lipsticks. Now we all know that Zara has launched their own line of makeup. When I checked out their range, I honestly had a lot of thoughts in my mind and I was contemplating if I really want to try out this range or not. But I did receive a lot of requests to review Zara makeup, so I ended up doing a lipstick haul. I have bought 7 lip products from Zara. They've got 7 formulas and I bought one from each. Today we are only going to talk about their lipsticks. In this box, I've got all the lipsticks. I will show you the swatches of each and every lip product with makeup and without makeup. And I'll also give you a mini review of each and every formula. So now let's begin this video, guys, starting with product number 1. The first one is Zara's Nourishing Jelly Lip Oil. This is in the shade Swell. Firstly, most of their lipsticks come in a box like this, and even the packaging is quite cool and sturdy. Like when you hold it in your hand, you can feel like this is something expensive. Although I genuinely believe that it is decently priced as per Zara standards. The base of this product, and actually all the products, is slant. So when you keep it on a tabletop, it kind of looks like this. Like, this is the best way I can explain it. But anyway, now talking about the formula of this lip oil, it is non-sticky. It is loaded with fragrance, by the way. So if you're not okay with fragrances, then you might find the fragrance in it a bit too much. It's not an off-putting fragrance though, it's a fruity fragrance. In the bottle, it looks like it's a tinted lip oil, but there is barely any tint in this oil. It nourishes and hydrates the lips really well, but if you've got super chapped lips, like very dry lips, then this product won't be enough. It's a lightweight product, guys. And honestly, after some time, it will feel like a gel on your lips. It won't even feel like an oil. Overall, it's a decent lip oil. Next up, we have Zara Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Say Cheers. I really like their tinted lip balm, guys, especially the color of this lip balm. I found it very pretty. It is such a beautiful pink color. Although it's called a tinted lip balm, it is close to a satin lipstick because the pigmentation that it gives is very lipstick-like. It's very, very comfortable on the lips and does feel like a proper lip balm. But again, just like the jelly, this is also a lightweight product. So if you've got super chapped lips and all, then this might not be enough. Then we have Zara Velvet Pigment Lip Gloss in the shade Overture. This is another lip product which I loved from their range, guys. The pigmentation of this lip gloss is solid. It gives one swipe pigmentation. The formula of this lip gloss is also perfect. It's neither too thick nor too thin. You know, there are many lip glosses which have like this thin formula, and whenever you apply it, it looks like it's dripping from the corner of your lips. You know what I'm talking about, right? So this is not one of those lip glosses, guys. It's got a beautiful formula. It sits so well on the lips and looks very pretty. I also really like the shade. It's a peachy pink shade and it looks really good. Next up, we have Zara's Cult Satin Refillable Lipstick in the shade Pretty Bizarre. This one is a refillable lipstick, which is a great concept. This came in 2 pieces. The lipstick came with this cap. It came separately and the packaging was separate. So what you have to do is open this cap and then fit the lipstick in this packaging. I really like the concept of this refillable lipstick, but the only con is that you can't really see which lipstick it is. Like, you'll have to open it and then check which shade it is. Now, when it comes to the formula of this lipstick, I honestly found it very close to their lip balm. Yeah, it does not give a very solid pigmentation. Like, you have to build this lipstick up if you want more pigmentation. And of course, this is not transfer proof. There's only one transfer proof formula which they have, which I'll talk about later. I liked using this lipstick. I like the color. It's a beautiful berry pink shade, but I'm not sure if I'll pick this up again. Next, we have their Stiletto Demi Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Or Bout. The packaging of this lipstick is again refillable and it is so sleek. It literally feels like a pen in your hand, like it is that thin. Love the color, but again the formula is very similar to their satin lipstick, the one which I spoke about before this. The only difference which I found between this lipstick and their cult satin lipstick was that this has a waxy fragrance. It reminds me of those old school lipsticks which used to have this crayon-like fragrance. So it has that. Again, it's not exactly off-putting, but not everyone is going to like it. The only reason I would buy this lipstick again is for this shade, guys. I love this shade so much. It's a beautiful brownish nude shade and I really liked it. Next we have Zara's Ultimate Refillable Lipstick. This is in the shade Premier Night. This one is again their refillable lipstick and no label. So if you've got this and cult satin, then you'll have to open and check which one is which. But the concept is still great. Like, I'll give it to them. It's a great concept and it reduces wastage. Coming back to this lipstick, this is my favorite of the lot, guys. I love the formula of this lipstick. I'm wearing it right now. It is so comfortable on the lips. It looks velvety. The pigmentation is solid. This color is stunning. I will definitely explore more shades from this particular formula. This one is totally worth it. And lastly, we have the Ultimate Liquid Lipstick in the shade Buttercup. This is the only transfer proof lipstick that Zara has in their range, and this particular shade I believe is a little tricky to work with. When I was applying this lipstick, it reminded me a bit of Maybelline Superstay Ink formula. Not that sticky, but you know, with that lipstick, if you press your lips right, it becomes patchy. So the same thing happened with this lipstick. It's a light color. It's a proper nude color. So I had to make sure that I don't press my lips to get proper pigmentation on my lips, and I had to wait for it to dry for at least a minute. I'm really not sure how the darker colors work when it comes to this range, but this particular color definitely had this issue. After the lipstick dried down, it did feel comfortable on the lips. It did not make my lips very dry, or you know, it did not feel uncomfortable in any way. It is transfer proof, but if you eat something oily, then you will need a touch up. Now, I've not done a proper, like a very long wear test with this lipstick yet, so I don't know how the reapplication works. Overall, it's a good, comfortable transfer proof lipstick, but I have mixed feelings about this particular shade. That's it, guys. This was my Zara lipsticks haul. After a very long time, I spent so much of money on lipsticks, just lipsticks. Overall, I don't regret this haul. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried out these lipsticks or Zara's makeup in general, and what are your thoughts about it. Anyway, I wanted to keep this video quick and short, so I'm gonna sign off for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon again in the next one. Bye. Mwah. I love you.